What are you getting in there? What are you getting in there? So they're in here with their big soft webbed feet, able to trample down things, and it pops right back up. They don't kick and scratch like the chickens. So that's insect patrol and slug patrol. While they're in here, munching things like these bean beetles, squash beetles, whichever they are. They poop and leave that nutrient behind. See the chickens feeding on some greens I threw out there this morning. That's another part of the system. Nothing is waste. They're recycling those greens into fertilizer for us, as well as taking care of fleas, ticks, and other pests around the food forest. If you're in Asheville, look me up, look us up, come have a look. We love showing it off.